Extreme wind conditions came very close to bringing down this small plane on Sunday. A video shows a Cessna 680 Citation Sovereign from E Aviation almost toppling over, while trying to land at Dusseldorf Airport, Germany. Right from the very start of the video it becomes clear that the plane is struggling to handle the strong winds, which were clocked at 75 miles per hour. The plane's approach to the runway is made at a bent angle, while the craft is seen wobbling from side to side. The pilot tries to straighten the aircraft as it comes closer to the runway, but overcorrects on entry and starts to rock even more. Things do not get any easier as the small plane tries to touch down on the tarmac. While hovering over the runway, the wonky plane jolts up and down as it inches closer and closer to landing. Just as the aircraft looked like it would finally land safely, something extraordinary happened. The plane's left wing is actually dragged to the floor of the tarmac, lifting the opposite side of the plane into the air. However, this does not last long and the aircraft is soon safe and sound on the ground. The pilot certainly earned his keep in the wild weather in Germany over the weekend. Strong winds and showers were prominent on Sunday,